Let me ask you something that might shift how you see your taxes forever. If your tax return were a resume, would it get you approved? Because that's exactly what it is. This early tax season window is where strategic people review their financial resume before it gets submitted into the system. Under OBBB upgrades and tighter enforcement patterns, your tax return is no longer just about compliance. It is a credibility document, a stability indicator, a consistency report, a risk assessment tool. Lenders read it, underwriters evaluate it, institutions trust it or question it. Now, here's the education piece. When you file your taxes, you are telling a story about how you earn, how consistent your income is, how organized your records are, how aligned your filing status is, whether your business makes sense on paper. If that story looks messy, inconsistent, inflated, rushed, or confusing, you don't just slow down your refund, you weaken your financial leverage. High earners, listen closely. If you make strong income, but your tax return fluctuates wildly year to year, shows income inconsistencies, lacks deduction logic, appears disorganized, doesn't match lifestyle, that creates friction later, business owners and side hustlers. This is especially important for you, your 1099 income, your LLC structure, your expense reporting, your owner pay. All of it must tell a cohesive narrative because early season is the time to clean it up. Late season is when people rush and hope. This is why waiting is risky. Right now, processing is smoother. Review queues are lighter, adjustments are easier, strategy conversations have room. In a few weeks, that flexibility tightens. And let's be honest, high level earners don't move in panic mode, they move in preparation mode. Now, let's elevate this. Most people don't even realize their taxes are a leverage document. That's why they file reactively instead of intentionally. All of my tax preparation appointments are 100% virtual, and we treat your return like what it actually is, a financial positioning document. We review income structure, filing logic, risk exposure, strategic alignment, not just numbers. And if you already know you want more than just filing, if you want to understand how to make your tax resume stronger, this is why my upcoming coaching program and strategy series are being built. Because serious income requires serious understanding. You don't build wealth on sloppy paperwork, you build it on structured positioning. This early season window is closing. Before volume spikes, book your appointment. Review your financial resume. Make sure it's hireable. I'm trying to tell you some good things.